Singapore's Foreign Affairs Minister Vivian Balakrishnan says the city-state is in serious talks with Malaysia on resuming cross-border travel. He's told CNA 938 even as borders gradually open up, it must be done safely.
I well understand the desire of Singaporeans and Malaysians to get the opening re-established. But here I do need to inject a note of caution. We are only in the beginning of opening up. COVID-19 remains a clear and present danger. In fact, it's another reminder of how Malaysia and Singapore, despite issues that may arise from time to time, we need to have open, honest, constructive dialogue and consultation all the time.
Dr. Balakrishnan says Singapore and Malaysia have the busiest land crossing in the world. Both countries are closely intertwined, which has made the circuit breaker and Malaysia's movement control order a traumatic exercise at the personal, family and economic level. Businesses here say they're looking forward to travel resuming for both countries.
Most of our workers are all Malaysian. For example, carpenter, even those hacker, some painter, some doing ceiling work. So we hope that it can resume as soon as possible. So once it's resumed, most likely our project will be able to start.
And as workplaces gradually open up, Dr. Balakrishnan's also encouraging those in Singapore to use TraceTogether, a contact tracing app, as part of safe management measures. He has stressed that TraceTogether complements SafeEntry and digital check-in systems and are not mutually exclusive. That's since SafeEntry is venue-specific but cannot detect contacts in close proximity like TraceTogether. Dr. Balakrishnan says 75% of Singapore's population will need to use this instead of just 25% if it's to be even more effective.